If you're looking for a refreshing summer salad, then you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making a creamy cucumber tomato salad. Yep, summer is finally here. Well, it's really spring, but it feels like summer. We had like 91 day before yesterday. So I'm ready for these summer foods. So like I said, I'm going to be making this salad today. I found this recipe over at midwesternhomelife.com. I will link their recipe in the description box, so I would appreciate if you go check them out and see all the goodies that they have over there. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alright my friends, we have some honey, parsley, minced garlic, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, fresh dill. I actually had dill for a recipe and I dehydrated it, so I have my own fresh dill. Some mayo, red onion, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and an avocado. That is all the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. So friends, you saw it's not a ton of ingredients, not many at all. We're going to start making the dressing first and then we'll put the salad together, so let's go. Alright, I have myself just a little mixing bowl. We're going to start, as I mentioned, I have fresh dill. This is my leftovers that wouldn't fit in my jar. So we're going to need about a tablespoon of fresh dill. I love the smell of dill. I love the taste of dill. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of mayo. Okay. And then I have a half of an avocado. I just sliced it up in quarters. We're going to add that. We're going to add 1 clove of minced garlic. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of honey, or excuse me, not a tablespoon, a half a tablespoon. Not a whole, a half. Almost messed that one up, my friends, didn't I? A half a tablespoon of honey. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to add in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I just like using sea salt. I just like sea salt better. And this is just for taste, just like that. Okay. Then we're going to get our little mixer and mix this up. Friends, I should mention this says that it makes 6 servings. So obviously if you want more, you just increase it. Alrighty, I'm going to put this aside and then let me go grab a bowl and we'll mix the salad together. Alright, so I have myself a nice bowl. I have an English cucumber. It's really about 1.5 because that's what I had left. I like my cucumbers chopped up in quarters just because I have a small mouth and it's easier for me to eat. So we're going to dump those in there. And then I have about 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. And again, I did quarter these just because I like them smaller. And then I have 1/4 of a red onion. We're going to put that in there. Alrighty, now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of parsley. I need to get some more parsley. Okay. And then, whoops, oh thank goodness that didn't spill. I knocked it over. And then we're going to add in a tablespoon of fresh dill. Now we're going to go ahead and just mix this up really well. Look at those colors, friends. Isn't that pretty? I love, love, love And the color combinations are beautiful. Alrighty, and then we're going to take our salad dressing. We're going to put that in there. Let's use my bigger spatula. Doesn't seem like a lot, but I can tell already putting it in. I was thinking, man, that doesn't look like a lot, but friends, that is it. Wow. Let me show you real quick. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, we're gonna go ahead, refrigerate it for a little while, and then we'll do our taste test. All right, my friends, so here it is. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's give it a try. I love it. Very dilly. Perfect, friends. Absolutely perfect for a summer. This is great for graduations coming up, Memorial weekend, July 4th weekend. This is an absolutely perfect salad. And you saw how quick and easy it was to make. So if you're running short on time, you need to throw something together. This is the salad, friends. So anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.